play basketball. I am tired. I love country balls. I love science. I love dancing. What does this button do? I love coffee. I love eating. I like reading books. I love building and inventing. Hello guys, today I will teach you how to make Taliban soup. First you want to kidnap some Talibans. Please don't kill me. Shut the heck up. Get in the boiling hot water, fat ass. No. Now just squish him with this giant wooden spoon. If he catches on fire, cool down the water. The best and easiest way to do this is by using the water gun. If your soup looks like this, then you're doing it perfectly. Now you just want to add some letters for flavor. And now squish the letters. Turn on the oven for just a second. If your bad guy is completely burned to the bone, you can add your second bad guy. Your turn, you little crap.
And all. Please.
Now end his suffering. Now you want to add cacti for more flavor. Make sure they're in pots so you can also taste that soil. Yummy yummy. Now use the oven to cook them. Now add your third bad guy. Now squish him. Nice. Now just add a bunch of random stuff for no reason. Now add the letter white just to help with the texture. Now use your magical powers to force another bad guy into the soup. Also, you should drain the water. Now toast him. Add the 4 fundamental operations of math. Now toast it. And then crush it. Now add several dead bodies from my basement. Now it's time to crush them. Now add a globe for texture. And then mix the ingredients all together. Now add more dead bodies to the oven. And now it's time to crush them so that you can taste that flavor. And now boil it. Now use your magical powers to add more Taliban to the soup. And now mix them. And that's how you make Taliban soup. Now force it down your esophagus.